The following is brought to you by the law offices of Samer Habbas.
If you're involved in a slip and fall case and injured, the party that you may go after is any party that created the condition that caused your injury. For instance, if you're walking in a grocery store and there's a wet floor, in that example, you can go after the grocery store for causing you to slip because they should have cleaned that up. They should have been more cautious and not created that condition that's there. Additionally, they could have placed a warning sign. If they haven't done any of that, they're going to have the responsibility. Another example of people commonly slip and falling are people that fall and slip or trip in sidewalk cracks. There's a lot of sidewalks out there that have not been maintained by cities, counties, in the state, and they consist of cracks that one may not see while ordinarily walking down a sidewalk. If that occurs, the person you go after would be the governmental entity that's responsible for maintaining and repairing that sidewalk. It's important that you obtain immediate attorney help because the statute of limitations operates much differently when you're going after a governmental entity such as a city, county, or state. In those type of claims, you only have 6 months to send a notice of the claim to the city, the county, or the state. If you don't give them notice that you're making a claim against them within that time period, you may be forever barred from bringing a claim for your injuries. So it's very important that during that time period, you obtain an attorney. 6 months can go very quick. Another reason to get an immediate attorney on a case like this is you want to have an attorney be able to investigate, measure, make a report as to what occurred. If the area is repaired, then that in a way prevents us from taking measurements of how bad or how deep the crack was, hiring experts that can look at it the way it was when it occurred. So it's important as an injured party to try to investigate and analyze the evidence as what it looked like when the incident occurred. Remember that when you contact our office, speak to us via telephone or meet with us in person to just discuss your options, that's a free consultation. You owe us nothing. So that's an opportunity for you without having to pay any expenses to learn more about your case and learn more about your legal options.
If you or your loved one has been injured, you need the power of the law offices of Samer Habbas and Associates. Call 888-848-5084, 24 hours a day, or go to habbaspilaw.com. We will fight to get you every dollar you deserve.